Hello everyone, my name is Abby Bliss White and welcome to my channel. Today we are going to be doing a kind of classic shop my stash, get ready with me using all Chanel products. So I pulled out some of my favorites as well as this beautiful eye quad that is perfect for the spring, and I was wearing this the other day in a video and was asked if I would go ahead and do a little tutorial with this pretty guy again. So that's what we're going to do today. We're going to play with some favorite Chanel products. If you want to see how I got this look, then let's go ahead and get started. We're going to do a full face of Chanel favorites today. And I'm going to start off with the BEIGE. This is the Water Fresh Tint. Yep, it is still one of my favorites. So what I've been doing lately is I've been mixing it in with the new BEIGE Sheer Healthy Glow Fluid. And this one is in SUNKISSED. And definitely love the little glow that this is going to give you naturally. So I'll take a little pump of this, and then I'm going to take a pump of this guy. We may add a little bit more, but what I like to do is just kind of mix this together first, and then we'll see what we think about more coverage. I'm using actually the IT Cosmetics Heavenly Complexion brush with this today, and you can definitely use the one that comes with it. I am just washing that one. Now with this Water Fresh tint, it gives your skin just a really plump, kind of refined, smooth look. It doesn't have a ton of coverage, but it does do something special to the skin, in my estimation. That is just 1-in-1 pump. I might add a little bit more on my cheek areas just to help combat a little bit of redness. So I'm just gonna take about half a little pump here, and then I will just add a little extra in areas where I feel like I want a little extra coverage. Now the beauty of this is you can totally build it up without it appearing cakey at all. The magic really happens once this foundation dries down. It will just kind of smooth everything out, but it takes a minute to kind of settle into the skin. Then I am going to use the Chanel, this is the Le Corrector in Rose, and this is going to brighten up right in those little dark sockets. I just kind of go a little bit here, and I'm going to take the other end of my IT Cosmetics Heavenly Complexion, and I'm slightly going to bring that underneath the eye, just kind of brightening up that area. Then to warm up the skin, I'm going to be using the new BEIGE. This is their Healthy Glow Bronzing Cream. And I'm just going to use, again, my IT Cosmetics. And we are just going to warm up the skin here. This is just going to kind of melt and make everything look a little kind of natural, healthy glow. Ooh, my hair is driving me nuts. No, my hairdresser did drop off a little root touch-up kit. So we'll see if I can actually do that on my own. We've got about another month to 6 weeks here in Oregon to kind of be shelter in place. So we're gonna need to do a little something with those roots. Okay, The other day I was wearing one of my favorite little quads that you guys made me buy, and many of you asked me what I was wearing, and I was wearing this. This is the Chanel Eau de Fleurs, and this was one where I did not think I was gonna pass on this. I was a little bit scared of these colors, and to be honest, now this is one of my favorite quads ever, and it's also one that I get the most compliments on whenever I wear it. So I said I would recreate this online. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this pretty kind of ivory, and I'm using Wayne Goss number 18, and I am going to just place this lightly all over the eyes. Now these are just sort of a wash of watercolor. It's just so pretty on the eyes. So I am going to just lightly. Then I'm gonna go in to this lighter pink, and we're gonna place that all over the lid. The texture of this quad is almost like a cream shadow. It's different texture than some of the others, and I just find it to be such a lovely wash. Just think that's such a pretty color. Then we're going to go in with this brighter pink, and I'm going to just kind of go on the outer V and a little bit up into that crease. Just building a little bit of color there. Then I'm going to take this rougher, and this is the number 3. I love this little pencil brush. I'm going to dip it into that deep purple. And such a beautiful color. I'm gonna line my eyes close to the lash line and underneath with that purple. Then I like to take my favorite ever eye pencil. This is the Chanel STYLO U in purple chalk. And I'm just gonna run a little bit around my waterline and up close to my lashes. Okay, here is that quad, and I am gonna go clean up my brows, put on mascara, and then we'll finish off the face. Okay, eyeballs are on, and then I'm gonna put a little bit of blush. This is one of the BEIGE Healthy Glow Sticks, and if I can read it, it's number 23. And I'm just gonna put a little bit of this. These are so sheer and pretty on the skin as well. So I'm just gonna do this. This is kind of a pink coral color, perfect for spring. Then I just like to take the brush that I was using with my foundation and just kind of sink that into the skin. Then I'm gonna set everything with my Hourglass, and this is the Ambient Lighting powders. And I just, again, just like to run it down the whole thing, and then I'm just going to set this. It'll give me a nice little glow. Then I'm gonna line my lips with my favorite lip pencil in PIVOINE, and this is 164. Just a really pretty rose kind of nude tone. Then finish it off with my favorite from the Rouge Coco Flash collection. This is in 112 Eau de Rose. Such a beautiful spring color. I just find this to be such a fun poppy color. Kind of livens up the complexion. Okay, that is my full face of Chanel today, with the exception of my little powder here. I hope you guys are doing well. I hope your week is off to a good start, and I will be back with another video soon.